What's going on, guys? Welcome back to the channel, another video. Today we're doing a special video. I am painting for my Aunt Joanne in memory of her granddaughter Helena. So the colors we're working with are the Sapphire from DecoArt. I'm using, this is a light blue from Artist Loft, this is cerulean blue from Artist Loft, and this is ultramarine blue. And then we have a titanium white. I have a 7-chamber split cup here, but I'm only using 5 of them for this. And the canvas is 10 by 10. All these colors are mixed. 1 part paint to 2 parts Artist Loft pouring medium. I'll flash it on the screen for you guys. There's no silicone in any of these colors. And I'm gonna put this white in that center chamber to kind of give a nice bit of contrast between these blues, because I have 2 dark blues and 2 light blues. And I feel like having this white in between them will be helpful. Now the paints they're kind of thick, much thicker than I would normally use, but that was what I wanted for having some really sharp lines in this cut, or in this painting rather. All right, so then I'm going to put the ultramarine blue in this chamber over here. I might not scrape the cup because it seems like I have enough paint. These chambers are a little smaller because there's 7 of them instead of 3. All right. And then I'll put this beautiful sapphire blue into the cup on this side. And how's everybody doing today? I hope you guys are doing great. I'm doing good. Having a great day. Painting with you guys. Now, I mixed these paints up the day prior, and then I sealed them with some press and seal, so hopefully to get rid of all the bubbles that might be in it. But we got some really pretty colors. I'm excited about this one. It's gonna be nice. It's gonna be very pretty. And finally, this is that, I want to say it's light blue permanent from Artist Loft. It's very close to the cerulean blue. It's lighter tones than the cerulean blue has some darker tones to it. All right, that's it.
This was Sylvana's favorite color.
All these blues were Joanne's granddaughter Helena's favorite color. And we will start the straight pour. I always like to do a little spin when I do it, so we're going to do that now. I'm trying to keep the cup close to the center. It's kind of difficult when I'm spinning and trying to watch it and pouring and talking all at the same time. But I like this because it makes some like pretty cool looking peacock shapes.
Wow, peacock's her favorite animal.
Oh, and peacock is her favorite animal. I did not know that, so that was not planned for, but a bonus. And then we're going to let it stop for a second. Let that build out a little bit. I'm trying to move it a little bit towards the center again, because I've been drifting. And now I'm going to spin it the opposite direction to get a different orientation of the spiral. I always feel like it makes it look more interesting when I spin it. And then you're just controlling the flow out of the cup. Maybe I need to spin slower because not as much paint is coming out. I really love that sapphire blue, that metallic. Work my way back to the middle. Just slowly tilt this cup back. Just slow the stream down just a little bit. Make it easier to catch. And catch it. Wow. Looks very icy. Winter. Wonderland. Christmas. All right. And then we're just gonna spin it. And get some decent coverage on the sides. That looks electric in the middle. Wow. That is crazy. All right, well, let me bring you guys down and we're gonna check this thing out. So I turned on the flash so you can see that sapphire. All those really beautiful bands of shimmery goodness going through this whole thing. And I really like how on the edges it almost has kind of a zebra striped look. I don't know why I did that. I mean, it has to be the way I poured it, but in the center, you got that cerulean blue right next to the white. Just beautiful. So this thing dried with some really cool texture and effects inside. I have the flash on so you can see the shimmer still. There's a lot of really fine lines and then really bright contrast between that light blue and then that sapphire. I think it looks really nice.
If you want to watch another video just like this, click the screen right now and I'll see you there.